Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, sorry about my voice. So, today, well, this evening, me and this girl are trading and she just sent a gift. So, I'm going to go ahead and send her her gift. We're doing rare trade. Of course, I have to give her a gift back. I do not scam, and I just don't like scamming because I don't see the point. What will it be rare? I really want to give her a drip hat. Did it again, like, I don't know. Sent, okay. What's that, girl? I think I should give her diamond pack hair. I don't know what I should give her. See, guys, I still don't. Yes, I don't scam. Anyway, honey bun bun. Just looking through something here. You see, I want to give her a diamond pack hair, which I will. So, guys, I'm gonna give her diamond pack hair. No, diamond pack dress. Okay, gave it. Sugar. I forgot. I'll give her a green instead. I sent 20. Give See, she didn't see this text yet.
Just want a few chips, guys.
What?
Want a few chips?
Yes, please.
Want the vegetarian one's gorgeous.
Yeah.
Want them?
Sorry, guys, that was my mum. Yeah. Yeah, shout out to her. You gave me a greet. I'll give her a greet. It's because I just feel so bad. Just like she gave me that. No, I could just give her a greet. The only person I've gave greets to so far is XX Nicole Stars XX. Yay! That left me up, kind of. Just press this. That's not working now. Don't be a poo to me. Load. Okay, guys, it's not loading. I'll be back once it loads. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to go check out the thing. I just said there to her, so she knows that I sent her a greet. Oh my god, guys, I'm really scared. Ah! Okay. Oh my god! I was gonna buy this! What happened there? It's a chick dress! Yes! Oh my god, this is amazing. Yes! It's so pretty. I was gonna buy the chicken dress. Oh, I love it. Oh. Guys, it's a chicken. It's a chicken dress. Oh my god, it's a chicken dress. Oh my god, thanks. It's so cute. Guys, I look so weird. I'm a chicken. Guys, I'm a chicken. Oh my god, I'm beautiful. I'm a chicken. Guys, I am a chicken. Oh my god, I am beautiful. I am such a big chicken. Then again, like, it's embarrassing me to wear right now because it's not like with a good outfit, so can't get it out of my eyes. Okay, just gonna like yum. It's gonna like change out those shows. Yes, I have rare shoes. Diamond pack shoes, actually. I have 2 diamond pack shoes, actually. Those. Who else comes to mind? Like, what's with these people? What happened? No. There we go.
Oh,
Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm back. Shout out to this girl here. I'll click into it. Right here. Add her. Bye, guys.